Very good morning. In today's period, we have to study the marketing management, and that is the social media marketing part 2. It means that first part we have studied in the last period. Now, in this part 2, we have to understand the social media marketing. And in this marketing, we have to understand the evolution of marketing communication. How evolution was there in marketing communication? First of all, broadcasting system was used. Try to understand what type of system was used there. Broadcasting system was used there, and in that broadcasting system also we have to understand the different information was broadcasted. And then print media was used there. Print media was used there. It means that this type of news media used to be the only way of delivering information to the public. This media is nothing but a only way of delivering information to the public about the product. For the generation of 80s and 90s, print media was the only media of entertainment. It means that in the 19th and 80s generation, definitely this media was only the media of entertainment. Okay? People relied on newspapers and magazines to learn everything from receipts and entertainment news to the important information about the country or about the world or about the product. And print media includes different types of the aspects. Okay, try to understand. And for example, newspapers are also included, magazines are also included, books, banners, billboards, brochures, flyers, these are also included in this print media. Okay, now radio, afterward radio was using there, and with the help of that radio also, each and every organization can reach with the potential customers also. Each and every organization can reach with the individual and a group of the customers also. That's why then afterward radio was used. Then outdoor channels are also used there. For example, banners were used there, microblogs are there, blogs are there, such type of a network of communities were there, and microsites and email search. With the help of blogs also, such type of information you can publish. With the help of such banners also, you can publish your information about the product. With the help of microblogs also, that is possible. Then network communities also there, and that is also group there. And with the help of that network communities also, you can present your product. Then microsites are also available for presentation of the product. Okay, and the last information I would like to explain here, that is the email search. Okay, with the help of email search also you can make marketing of your product. Okay, in this way, this is the process of evolution, and these are the different steps of the evolution of marketing communities. Okay, now we have to take a quick overview of social media marketing. Social media marketing first started with publishing business. Try to understand. Such type of marketing was started with publishing. Businesses were sharing their content on social media to generate traffic to their websites and hopefully sales. Okay, but social media has matured far behind. Try to understand. Such type of a social media matured far beyond being just a place to broadcast content. Nowadays, businesses use social media in a myriad of different ways. For example, a business that is concerned about what people are saying about its brand would monitor social media conversation and the response to the relevant mentions, for example, social media listening and engagement. A business that want to understand how it's performing of the social media, how it's performing on social media, would analyze its reach, engagement, and sales on social media with an analytics tools. Social media analytics. A business that wants to reach a specific set of audience at scale, it would run highly target. Okay, it would highly targeted the social media ads, social media advertising. Try to understand. Now there are different types of the medias. There are different types of the medias. What are the different types of the medias? The goal of media is to convey an advertising messages to the audience through the most appropriate media channel for their product. It means that what is the object of the different medias? To convey the message with the audience in the most appropriate manner effectively. In general, you can classify media in three categories. How many categories are there? Three categories are there. First category, print media. Second, broadcasting media. Third, internet media. Now we have to study these media step by step in detail. Now, print media, with the help of this slide also, you can understand what are the different medias which are included in print. Okay, these are different types of the print media. With the help of this media, you can understand the nature of product, nature of services, okay, and each and everything about the product you can understand with the help of this media. Okay, it means that this type of a new media, this type of a news media used to be only way of delivering information to the public. Such type of media is the only way of delivering the information to the public. Okay, and uh, for the generation of 80s and 90s, print media was the only media to entertain. People relied on the newspapers and magazines, and with the help of those newspapers and magazines, they learn everything from the receipts and entertainment news. Okay, now this print media includes different aspects. For example, newspapers. First aspect I have mentioned here, newspapers, that is printed and distributed on a daily or weekly basis. You'll find newspapers are printed and distributed on daily basis or weekly basis also. They includes news related to sports, politics, technology, science, local news, national news, international news, birth notices, as well as entertainment news related to fashion, celebrities, and movies, etc. Today's parents grew up with this type of a printed media. It means that this type of a printed media is generally used elsewhere. Then another media also I have given here, that is magazines. Magazines are printed on weekly, monthly, quarterly or annual basis. It contains information. Magazine contains information about finance, food, lifestyle, fashion, sports, etc. It means that such type of information you can get from the magazine also. Then another example I have given here, that is about books. And books are focusing on particular topic or subject, giving the reader to the chance of spread their knowledge about their favorite topic. And books are also used in the print media. Then banners are also used there. Banners used to advertise the company's services and products, hung on easy noticed sites to attract people's attention, and for that purpose also banners are becoming more and more effective. Then another aspect is also included in print media, that is brochures. What are those brochures? Brochures is a type of booklet. It includes everything about one company, its products, services, terms and conditions, contact details, address, etc. They are either distributed with the newspapers or hand over to the people. It means that such type of brochures are also used there. Then flyers are also there. Try to understand flyers. Flyers, those flyers are also used mostly by small companies. Mostly by small companies due to the low cost of the advertising. It means that such type of flyers are having low cost. That's why those are used by the small companies. They contain the basic information about the company, their names, logo, services or products, and content information or contact information, and they are distributed in the public area. In this way, these are different examples of the print media. What are those? First example I have given here, newspapers. Second, magazines. Third, books. Fourth, banners. Fifth, billboards. Sixth, brochures. And the last, flyers. These are the different examples of the print media. Try to understand. Then, with the help of another broadcasting media is there, broadcasting media. With the help of this slide, you can understand how information is broadcasted. How information is broadcasted with the help of these different types of the ways. Okay. Now, broadcasting media is divided in three categories. Those categories also I have given here. Broadcasting media includes videos, audios or written contents that provides important or entertaining information shared by the different medias, different methods. Okay. Now, broadcasting media includes television. Television, in the past, there were a few channels sharing various types of the content, whereas now we are having hundreds of TV channels to choose the form. It means that before some time, there were few channels who were giving information about the product and services. But nowadays, n number of TV channels are also available there. Each channel delivers the different types of the content. So, you have separate channel for news, separate channel for drama, separate channel for movies, separate channels for sports, animation, nature, travel, politics, cartoons and religions. It means that for these aspects you are having separate channels. It's the number one broadcasting media. Television is number one broadcasting media, don't forget at all. Due to its reach, to the audience. It means that television is going to reach to the audience effectively. That's why this is the first broadcasting media we have to understand. Then second media also I have given here, that is the radio. Use such type of a radio use is also wider. Radio uses radio waves to transmit entertaining, informative and educative content to the public. Due to its high reach of the audience, radio is widely used for advertising products and services. It is one of the oldest means of entertainment, and today people often hear it to find out the weather and traffic while communicating. Okay, when traffic is commuting, at that time people are going to listen to radios. And another media is also included here in broadcasting, that is movies, films, motion pictures, screenplay, moving pictures or movies has worldwide reachability. It's the best type of mass media. Such type of a movie is the best type of mass media to promote the products, to promote the culture and spread social awareness. This is the best media for such type of social awareness. Movies have always played a huge part in the entertainment world. It means that movie is also going to play the main role in entertainment. In this way, these are three different medias which are included in broadcasting medias. Try to understand. Then another we have to understand a slide I have given here, that is internet media. What is it? Internet media. With the help of this slide also you can understand these are different medias which are used through internet. Okay, with the help of this slide also you can make judgment about the internet media. Now, internet media includes again another three types, and those types also I have given here in this slide. Nowadays we are relying on the internet. Everybody is also going to rely on the internet to get the news a lot more often than traditional news source. Okay, websites provides information in the form of videos, text and audios. It means that website is also going to provide the information in different forms, for example videos, text and audios also. We can even choose the way we want to receive and news. Types of internet media is also given here in this slide. First type is included there, that is the social networks or websites. What is it? social networks or websites. It includes Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Quora, Reddit, Pinterest, etc. These are some examples I have given here about the social network or websites. They are user friendly and widely used by the people around the world. Although we can find any news here, they may be misleading because of the lack of regulations on the content shared. It means that there is a lack of regulation on such type of a social network, and that is also essential. What is essential? Regulations are also essential there. Some regulatory bodies should be established there, and with the help of that bodies, such type of messages, such type of information, such type of advertisement, and such type of information can be assessed. Okay. Then another example is also there about the internet media, that is online forum. An online forum is nothing but an online place where we can comment, message or discuss the particular topic. That is online forum. Forums allows us to share knowledge with other people with the same interest. It means that same interested people can make group there, and they can also share their knowledge among each other. That's why it's regarded as the best platform to seek support and assistance. It means that such type of online forum is nothing but the best platform for what purpose? For seeking the support and assistance also. And a third example I have given here in this slide, that is a podcast. That is a series of audios. Try to understand. That is a series of audios focused on a particular topic or theme. We can listen to them on computer or on a mobile phone. It's a platform that allows anyone to share their knowledge and communicate with the world. It that is a podcast. Okay. In this way, these are different three medias which are included in internet medias. It means that we can use different types of the medias. Try to understand. We can use different types of the medias to find out news, learn new things, and entertain ourselves. With the advanced technology, we can choose the type of media we want to use, no matter the time or place. Okay, wherever and whenever you can use it. So we can hear the radio while driving the work. We can watch out the favorite shows on our phone, and we can find out any information and news on our laptop or mobile devices. Thanks to the internet, who knows where technology who knows where technology can lead us in the future. In this way, such type of internet media, that is very effective media which is used in such type of a marketing system. Now, what are the types of the media? There are different types of the medias we have to understand. What are those types of the medias? Those medias also divided there in three categories: paid medias, earned medias, and what are those? Owned medias. It means that types of the medias also we have to understand. Paid medias, first type we have to study here. Paid media is advertising for your business, that you pay for it. The most common forms of the paid media you are likely to come across, including following: display ads, sponsored ads, paid search, Google ads, Facebook, dynamic products ads, Twitter, Instagram, influencer, Google shopping, Bing's ads. These are some examples I have given here about the paid media. Now try to understand the Facebook ads, Twitter sponsored ads, Google ads, and other are the all forms of the paid media. Businesses of all sizes use this platform to manage keywords focused, eye catching, or otherwise relevant online ads to get their names in front of the right people. It means that such type of a paid media is generally used with the help of these different types of the tools. Okay, compared to the other types of the media, paid media is relatively easy to understand. Try to understand. Compared to the other types of the media, this media is relatively easy to understand. It resembles the traditional advertising, which put ads together for your products or services and put them to the third party platform where your ideas, where your customers, where your ideal customers can see them. Those two things are what paid media does best. What are those? Increase revenue, raise brand awareness, and getting visible quickly. In this way, this media is also very important, and that is entitled as paid media. Another type is also given in this chart, that is earned media or free media, that is also called free media. This media refers to publicity gained through the promotional efforts other than the paid media advertising, which refers to the publicity gained through the advertising, or own medias, which refers to the branding. A few examples I can quote here about the earned medias. What are those? Publicity from media outlets. Many businesses, especially small ones, don't have a lot of money for marketing. That is SEO. Yes, that says SEO. Okay. Review sites, reviews, and testimonials are great for building your credibility. Social media, word of mouth. These are the some examples of earned medias. And the third type of media also we have to study here, that is owned media. What is it? Owned media. That is defined as a communication channel. Owned media is defined as communication channels that are within one's control, such as websites, blogs, or email. Paid media refers mostly to traditional advertising, but owned media refers to any channel or profit or any channel or profile of that owned business, controlled and mentioned or controlled and maintained by the brand itself. Examples of owned medias include the company's website, social media profile, and blogs. These are the examples of owned medias. It means that these are different three types of the medias. First, paid media. Second, earned media. And the last, owned media. These are the examples of the medias, types of the medias. Now, there are 10 types of social medias. There are 10 types of the social medias and what they are used for. It means that what they are used for the marketing purpose. These 10 types also we have to study in detail. First type is also given here, social networks. What is it? Social networks which connect with the people. It means that with the help of social network, connecting the people is very easy job. Then second type of social media is also given here, media sharing networks. With the help of such type of a network, photos can be shared, videos can be shared, and other media is also used there. Then third example, third type of the social media is also given here, discussion forum. In this discussion forum, news can be shared and ideas also can be shared here in this discussion forum. Then fourth type is also given here, that is bookmarking and content curation and networks. Try to understand. And this type of bookmarking and content curation networks discover, save, and share new contents. And this is also very effective media. Then another media also given here, that is consumer review network. Such type of a network find and review business. Okay, and these are the 5 types of the social medias, and remaining 5 types of the social medias also we have to understand. Those are given in next slide. Okay, blogging and publishing networks. another example, blogging and publishing network. And in this network you can publish contents online. Okay, then seventh social media is also given here, interest based networks. Interest based means what type of customers are interested there, what is the interest of your customer, and on that interest based network is also there, and that network shares the interest and hobbies. Okay, and with the help of this type of social media also you can make marketing effectively. Then another type is also there in this chart, that is social shopping network. It means that on this network you can shop online. Okay, then another example is also given here, another type is also given here, that is a sharing economy networks, that is a trade goods and services. And the last type is also there of the social media, that is anonymous social network, which communicate anonymously. Okay, and these are the different 10 types of the social medias. Now what are the benefits of social media marketing? Come to the point. What are the benefits? What are the advantages you can get? And those social media marketing benefits you can understand. What are the advantages? What are the benefits of social media marketing? Those benefits also we have to study here. There are different types of the benefits. Social media marketing consistently warms up a new audience for your business. Consistency is there in this social media marketing, and with the help of this social media you can consistently warm up a new audience for your business. This is the first benefit. Then another benefit is also mentioned there. What is it? Social media marketing builds stronger relationship with customers. With the help of social media marketing, that is possible to build up stronger relationship with the customers. Okay, then another, social media marketing generates more leads and convincers. Okay, then conversations is also there, conversions are also there, and such type of things are also possible with the help of social media marketing. That's why this is also another benefit. Then next benefit we can discuss here, that is social media marketing gives you a leg up on competitors. There is a need of leg up on competitors, and such type of a provision is there in social media marketing. Then another benefit is also there, social media marketing is cost effective. It means that that is a cost effective marketing media. It means that whatever may be cost you are going to increase there, due to that cost you can get more benefit effectively. That's why cost effective benefit is there in this social media marketing. Okay, now what are the advantages of social media? First advantage we can discuss in here, you reach large audience. It means that with the help of social media marketing you can reach with the large audience. Another advantage is also there, you have direct connection with your audience. With the help of the social media, direct connectivity is possible with your audience. You can create organic contents. Try to understand, you can create organic contents with your customers also. Then you have much more access to paid advertising services also. With the help of social media marketing, paid advertising services are also possible, and there is also ample access for your advertising. Okay, then another thing is also there, you build your brand. With the help of social media you can build your brand, and that is possible with the help of social media marketing. Building brand image, building brand is also possible. Then you can drive traffic to your websites. With the help of social media marketing you can drive traffic systematically, and you can evaluate your performance systematically with the help of this social media. These are one plus half dozen advantages of social media. Okay, with the help of these advantages also you can understand how social media is beneficial. Now what are the advantages of using social network for marketing? Try to understand what type of benefit, what type of advantages you can get by using social network for marketing. Don't make confusion, this term is very clear. what are the advantages of using social network for marketing? There are pound dozen advantages I have given here. How many? 9 advantages are there. First, lower cost. It means that such type of a marketing is having lower cost, that is affordable to any small type of business or any type of business. That's why this is first advantage. What is it? Lower cost is there. Trust and credibility is also there. With the help of the such type of a media, you can provide such type of marketing facilities, and those are trustworthy and credible. Okay. Then another advantage is also there. Social network facilitates the diffusion of information. This is also another advantage. Then gain competitive advantage. It means that with the help of social network, your business can gain competitive advantage. Then understanding customers needs. With the help of social network, you can understand what are the needs and wants and desires of the customers. It means that you can understand the customers needs with the help of the social network. Okay. Then connecting with the current customers. With the help of social network, it is possible. Connection of current customers is also essential, and that is also possible with the help of such type of network. Then finding new customer is also possible. With the help of social network, you can find new customers, because you can you can deliver the data on that website, and after reading that data, new customers can also attract to your business. Okay. That's why finding new customers or consumers, that is also possible. Then open communication is there on social network. Each and everyone can discuss, each and everyone communicate openly there, and that is also another advantage. There is not a single restriction about the discussion. Okay. Then another advantage of using the social network for marketing is that benefits of top social marketing websites also possible. You can take the benefits of top social media websites also. These are the advantages of using social networks for marketing. Okay. Then Facebook is also there. Everybody is going to use the Facebook, and that is also very beneficial. What type of benefits you can get from the Facebook? What type of advantages you can get from the Facebook? There are different types of the benefits and advantages are there, and those advantages also I can quote here. First, that is mentioned here in this slide. That is, it is a low cost marketing strategy that is affordable to any small organization also, and large organization also, and medium organization also. It means that first benefit of Facebook is that that is a low cost marketing strategy. Okay. Then such type of Facebook shares basic information about your product. That is also possible. Basic information is also essential for the new customers, and such type of basic information you can share with the help of the Facebook also. Then Facebook share photos and videos about your business also. It means that actual how your product is looking, actual how your business is there, of those photos you can share on Facebook. Okay. Then talks to existing and potential customers. You can talk with the existing customers and potential customers also with the help of FB, Facebook. Then raising brand awareness and promote word of the mouth. It means that with the help of Facebook also, brand awareness can be raised, and it is possible to raise the brand awareness and promote the word of the mouth. And this is the another advantage of the FB, Facebook. Then target advertising and insight is also possible, and offer deals are also possible with the help of the Facebook. Okay. Now Twitter. What about benefit you can get from the Twitter? There are different benefits you can get from the Twitter by use the Twitter. Okay. First benefit is there, monitor real time conversation. That is possible. Real time conversation is possible with the help of the Twitter. Okay. This is the first benefit. Another benefit is also there, extends customer services. Such type of Twitter are used, and with the help of Twitters, extension of customer services are also possible. Then Twitter offers helpful links and headlines. This type of benefit is also there. Then breakthrough communication barriers with tweets. Okay. Such type of a breakthrough communication model is also there. Breakthrough communication model, that is also possible. and this type of a benefit also you can get from the Twitter. Then run special deals and promotions. Twitter, with the help of Twitter also you can run special deals and promotions also. These benefits you can get from the use of the Twitter. Now by used by use of the LinkedIn, there are half dozen benefits you can get. What are those benefits? What are the benefits you can get from the LinkedIn? First benefit is possible: find business partners, clients, and service providers. That is also possible. You can find out the business partners, you can find out the clients, and you can find out the service providers through LinkedIn. Then get advice from industry experts. It means that with the help of the LinkedIn, you can get advice from the industry experts also, from the different sites experts also. Then add your websites or blogs for increased exposures. That is also possible. Then recommendations increases your credibility, and this benefit is also very essential there and very important there. Then profile makes for better SEO, sales executive officer opportunities. Okay, and by joining the groups with the link like-minded peoples, try to understand, join groups with like-minded peoples, and this benefit is also essential. With the help of LinkedIn, these are half dozen benefits which you can get by using it. Okay, now with the help of Google, what type of benefits you can get, or how you are going to use the Google, or what are the uses of Google. Google is useful for improving your results. Then Google Plus allows for more direct and personal relationship. With the help of Google also, direct and personal relationship you can establish. Then future integration with other Google products is also possible, and it is growing rapidly with 500 million users. These are the different types of the benefit by using Google. Okay, now creation of the best social media is essential. If you would like to create the best social media, at that time you have to know, you have to understand the different tips for creation. Okay, what are the tips? Those tips also I would like to present in front of you. Definitely those tips also will be benefited in future. First point I would like to explain here, that is a be responsive. Engage with those response to your content or share something on your pages. Responsiveness encourages more conversation. That's why be responsive. It means that you should have to respond immediately. You should have to become responsive. Then have clear goal. Your goal should be clear. There should not be any conflicts. There should not be any confusion. There should not be any doubtful information. Each and every goal should be clear. Make sure you knows what you are going to offer. Okay, then be consistent. Post often and at a comfortable rate. Schedule your post in advance if possible. If whatever maybe posts are there, your schedule should be prepared well in advance. Okay, if it is possible. Then have a theme. Choose themes for specific days. Try to understand. Choose theme for specific days of the week to boost engagement. It means that I have a theme. Then another thing, tell a story. Engage customers on social media with brand storytelling. Try to understand. Storytelling is also another most important advantage and most important benefit you can get there. That's why tell a story and engage customers on social media with brand storytelling. Okay, this is also essential there. Then do it with passion. Whatever may be things you are going to do it with passion or not at all. Then communicate. Share everything with your team. Try to understand what I'm speaking. Share everything with your team goals, failures, and success also. It means that each and everything should be shared, should be communicated with the others. It means that communicate with the team. Then be a trendsetter. Don't just follow trend. Be a source of inspiration for other. It means that be a trendsetter and use remarketing audience. Try to understand remarketing audience. Don't forget to use your remarketing audience. Try to understand. You should have to remember again and again about your remarketing audience. Okay. In this way, these are different tips for preparation of effective websites. Okay, effective marketing style. Okay, and these are different references which are used for preparation of this presentation. Okay, if any doubt will be there, you can. If any doubt, you can communicate with me. Okay, thank you very much.